Right. Hi, Avinash.
Yes, Manoj.
Can you see my screen, Avinash? Can you confirm me that?
Yes, Manoj. I can see it. Yes.
Okay. Right. Previously, we have discussed about the four values, right?
Correct.
Any doubts in this four values?
No, this is clear to me.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Now, today we are going to discuss about the 12 principles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you read the first principle? And one more thing. Before
Yeah.
going here, whatever, see how it is look like, right? So you have to, you have to say in this order only. Okay. Manoj, I want to say like working software or the comprehensive documentation, individuals and interactions or process controls. No, it's not the correct way. Okay.
Okay.
The exact
like
way is
precedes what?
yes. First, you have to explain individuals and interactions or process and tools. Okay. Then explain the process. Okay. If you are explaining something, if the interviewer said that no need to explain about all these things, just let me know. Then you can straight away say the four values.
Got it.
And coming to the 12 principles, these are very important, but you should know all the principles. Okay. If I close this, I can explain you all the 12 principles without seeing. That many times I have read it, right? And the interviewer won't ask you the 12 principles.
Does interviewer care about this? Does the interview emphasis on this principle?
No, they won't ask you anything about the principles. Sometimes they want to know something about the principles also, but they will definitely ask about the four values. Okay. If you give you like 10 interviews, in these 10 interviews, they will definitely ask you 4 to 5.
Okay, I got it.
That's important. But coming to the principles, the same example, 12 interviews, 1 or 2 people will ask you, what are your favorite principles?
Okay.
And why? Okay, they won't ask you about the 12 principles. Yes, do you know the principles? Yes, you have to say that we are having like a 12 principles. Okay. And they will ask you like, what are your favorite principles?
Right.
Yes, try to buy heart any 6 and understand about those 6. Okay, understanding in the sense, try to make a note of every principle, try to speak it out around 1 minute.
Okay.
So that is going to be a very plus for you. Okay, they won't ask you about that many. They will ask like, can you say what are your favorite principles? Can you explain any 1 or 2? Okay, they will ask you only 1 or 2, but you have to say like a 3 to 4. Okay, they will say you to stop.
Okay,
then you have to
got you.
Okay, up to then you should not stop. Okay, so that's the reason I'm explaining 12 principles are very important. Okay, and these principles are a plus point for you also. Right, Manoj, do I need to explain the 12? If they ask me 12 principles, do I have to say in an order? No need.
Okay.
No one will ask you. Okay, up to now I have seen in many interviews. Okay, I have done some proxies also, but no one has done all these things. I mean, no one asked about the 12 principles. Okay, they will ask you the rare questions. Okay. Right. So what is the first principle? Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of a valuable software. Right. So what is this point says that? So our first priority is to satisfy the customer. Right. How the customer will get satisfied? Okay. So in waterfall methodology, did the customer satisfied?
Only when the product is ready and demo is completed,
then only he is going to get satisfied.
Then only he is going to satisfy,
right? So up to then he hasn't seen the
product,
right? But here what we are doing, we are building the software before only.
Correct. We are engaging the customer early in the process.
Yes, right. So we are going to deliver this software, right? So our contract is 2 years, but we are delivering some software before only, right? How Manoj? We are delivering the software like a 3 months, 6 months, right? So whatever the important items are there, based on that important items, we are delivering the software so that the client or the customer can promote his software, right or wrong?
Correct.
So that he can earn something, or else he has to wait for 2 years, right or wrong?
Correct.
So then there is no difference between waterfall and agile, right? So that's the reason what we are doing is we are delivering the highest priority items first. So then only he could satisfy. How, Manoj, do you have any example? Yes, I do have a lot of examples. No worries in that. You are using PhonePe, right?
Right.
PhonePe, Google Pay, right? So whenever the PhonePe has launched in 2018 or something, right? So what they have brought to us? They brought us to send money to one mobile to another mobile, to your friends, right? Do we have any other features in that?
I don't think so.
No, no features at all.
We had, yes.
Yes, that is called the initial stage. Okay, MVP, minimum viable product.
Correct.
Right. So we are having only minimum features. Right. If the product is getting succeeded, what we are going to do? We are going for MMP, maximum marketable products. Right. How many products you want to add it? You can add it.
Add it, right.
Right. So firstly, you have done with
MVP.
transferring the money. No, transferring the money.
Right.
Next stage, what you have done? You have done mobile recharges. That is called the next version.
Next version, right.
Right. So you have implemented something. What are the next steps? We have some electricity bills. Right or wrong?
Correct. Absolutely.
After that, what they have done? They have implemented bank-to-bank transfer. If you, you want to pay to me, right? So you are taking the course, right? So you have to pay to me. Either you can transfer through my mobile number, or you can transfer through my account details.
Account details, right?
Right. So this is the thing. They have done lot of features. Okay. Not only this. If you go down to the, if you scroll down a little bit down, you can see loans also. You can get personal loans from the PhonePe.
Correct.
Right. If you want to invest in gold, also you can do investments.
Right.
Right. So lot of things are there. Like FASTag. Right. I usually recharge FASTag. Right. For my car, or else if I want to have insurance, I can buy the insurance, health, medical. Right. Everything has been included. But just in case, if you delivered all the features at a time, so I'm the person who wants to have a lot of all the features at a time, but to habituate this, it will take a lot of time for me. Because I can't able to open all the features at a time, right?
Right.
So that's the reason what we have done is in agile methodology, we implemented everything very shortly. And we have given some time to the people. Whenever PhonePe came, okay, at the time, me and my friends, my colleagues, what we do is we used to transfer money from one to another person, okay, to get some vouchers.
Right.
We usually get some scratch cards.
Yes.
Right?
Initially, PhonePe also used to do it, right?
Yes. I don't know about the Google Pay. I know only the
PhonePe. Yeah, PhonePe used to do.
Yeah, PhonePe has done that.
Yes.
Around 6 months.
Yes, correct.
Around 6 months they have done. Why? Because to attract the customers.
Yeah, correct.
At the time, ultimately, the PhonePe is in loss only. Okay. But what PhonePe has done is, this PhonePe making the people to habituate to use this product. Okay. When you are habituated to use this product, you won't go for any other products. Right or wrong, Avinash? So like that, the same thing. Here also, some other apps came into the market after PhonePe. But we have already habituated to use the PhonePe. That's why many people are stick with PhonePe and Google Pay. Okay, there are a lot of UPI apps are there in India. BHIM, something other, BIM, some other features are there. We have. Okay, right now WhatsApp Pay also we have, but no one using all those things. The major thing is PhonePe, and the second one is Google Pay. Right?
Correct.
Right. So that is the thing. Okay. So if you do such things like early releases, okay, if you deliver the software not early in the sense, I mean the product is going to be completed in 2 years, but if you do some early, so he can promote his product into the market, right? Based on that, he can earn some money with this valuable software. Understood?
Right.
Right. Coming to the second point, welcome changing requirements even late in the development. Agile process harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Same example like the first point. Okay, what you're doing here, what he's saying, welcome changing requirements. Okay, this point we have discussed here, responding to change over following a plan. Right? How you will make changes according to a plan, right? Without plan, can you do it?
No.
But what he is doing, welcome, accept the changes.
Accept the changes, right?
Yes, accept the changes. If the development is late also, no problem. Accept the requirements. If you accept like that, what we will have? We can have a competitive advantage. Okay? Just consider PhonePe is launching lot of features. Okay? Now, there is a new app came into the market that is called as a Google Pay, GPay. Right? So now, to attract the customers, what the GPay has to do? GPay has to provide some other features, right?
Right.
So if GPay give more features than PhonePe, then only the GPay can survive in the market. Right? Sometimes you seen, if I want to transfer some money, PhonePe usually get lag.
Yeah, correct.
But GPay never lags. Right? So that's the reason. Yes, that's absolutely true. Sometimes if I don't have if I have a one point of network, okay, I can't able to transfer money from my PhonePe, but I can transfer money from GPay. I don't know why. How it's happening. See, if there is no network with me, but it is going to get transferred. How I don't know about it. Okay, so that's the reason I usually keep both apps. But 90% I usually transfer from PhonePe only. But if network is not good, I go for Google Pay. Right? So now here what it is saying is, there is a competition here. Okay? If my customer wants to have some advantage, when he will get advantage, whenever you do some changes in the requirements, then he can get some competition with that PhonePe or some Google Pay. Then what you have to do, you have to welcome that requirements. Okay, Avnesh?
Yeah, Manoj. Yeah.
See, I will give you another good example. Amazon and Flipkart, right? So what they do, usually if there is an offer, okay, there is a Sankranti, right? There is a Deepavali offers will be there, or Ramjan offers will be there, right? So what they do, they usually give the offers for festivals. But have you seen anywhere that Big Billionaire Days, okay, Flipkart is going to give some offers on Big Billionaire Days, but at the same time and at the same date, okay, Amazon also will give the same offers and will give the same discounts. Right or wrong, Avnesh?
Yeah, correct.
Why? If Flipkart is giving the offers, what the Amazon people will do? The Amazon people will think that, oh, Flipkart is providing some offers. Okay, so that we can go and buy in Flipkart. Okay, so that's the reason what the Amazon will do. Amazon don't want to lose the customers. Okay, Amazon don't want to lose the customers. For that reason, what the Amazon will do, at the same date from 26th to 29th, Amazon also will give the same offers. Now, Amazon customers will think that, oh, Amazon also is giving the offers, so that I don't need to go for Flipkart. Then they will compare, right? So then they will compare. So what they do, what is the comparison here? Okay, I want to buy some shoes. Okay, which shoes? Right? Sparks, right? 690. They will go here. They will search this parts. Okay. Oh, okay. Here also 699. There is no difference, right? My trusted brand is Amazon, so I will go for Amazon. What the Flipkart people will do? They will also do some comparison with the Amazon, right? So now the Flipkart people will think that, oh, my Flipkart is promoting same offers on campus, 842, and here Amazon, oh, 842. No problem. I will buy in Flipkart only because I habituated to use Flipkart. Am I right or wrong, Avnesh?
Yeah, correct.
So that is the thing. If there is a competition between the different clients or different customers, what they will do, whatever they are trying to do, just give the change of requirements. If you do the change of requirements, then they can be in the market for, if there is a competition also, that could be an advantage for them, not to do the customers. Are we good with these 2 points? Avinash? Okay, you are done. Right. Coming to the third point, deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to couple of months with a preference to a shorter time scale. Right? What it is saying, deliver the working software frequently. How we are delivering the working software? By a sprints. Okay, sprints is nothing but 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. In a time box, in a time frame, we are developing some work items. So that is called as a sprints. Here also what it is saying, deliver working software frequently. Frequently in the sense, if you are delivering working software every 2 weeks, in that 2 weeks, please deliver each and every software for every 2 weeks, so that they can have what they can have. They can have some preference. Okay, Avinash, are you getting me? Hello.
Yeah, I'm back, Manoj.
Oh, up to now you are not there.
No, actually I was there. My laptop somehow is creating problems. It gets restarted.
Oh, okay. Right. Let me explain the third point again. Okay. So what it is saying, deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to couple of months. Okay.
Correct.
With a preference to a shorter time scale.
Shorter time scale.
Right. So what it is saying, deliver working software. How we are delivering the working software? In a sprint wise. Right or wrong? Sprint, how we are how we are accepted the sprint length? 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks. Right? In that we have chosen any one, right? Anyone. And in the organization, so how we are deploying the projects? If we are deploying if we do the deployments for every sprint, that could be a couple of weeks, right? Or else you are delivering working software like us by quarterly, half-yearly, yearly releases, then it could be a couple of weeks, right or wrong?
Absolutely.
So in that time frame, how the time frame will be? It's going to be a preference of a shorter time scale, right? So that what we can have a lot of things, right? We can have a customer satisfaction, right? We can be in the market, right?
Right.
So that's how it will be. Coming to the fourth point, business people and developers. Right. So business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Okay. Why business people and developers must work together daily? Because it is not an agile. Okay. If it is in agile, okay. If it is
it's not a waterfall, right? That's what you say.
Yes, it's not a waterfall, right?
Yeah.
If it is a waterfall, we are going to we developed all the projects right at the end, and we are going to deliver that at the end. But here what we are doing, we are going to have a lot of change of requirements, right? So if there is a change of requirements, the developers has to understand that requirement, right or wrong?
Right.
For that reason, what we are going to do is we are making the business people to work accordingly with the developers. Okay, we are making the developers to business people along with them. Okay, sit along with them so that they can work closely and they can develop the project very easily. Understood?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Right. So coming to the fifth point. Okay, what is the fifth point? Build projects around motivated individuals. Right? Build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job. Okay, I will give you a perfect example. Okay, so I'm an introvert. Okay, I don't have a much collaboration with the people. Okay, for that, what I usually do is I go to office and I just do my work and I will come back to my. Okay, I don't talk much, but there are some extrovert people will be there, right? What these people will do, they usually have a lot of collaborations, right? What the management is saying is, if you have, okay, if you have a much collaborations with the people so that they can know about yourself, right or wrong, so that they can know about yourself and they can properly get to know that this so and so person in what he is capable to do, right? So that they can trust you and they can give you whatever they can, whatever you can develop. Right or wrong?
Right.
So here also the same thing. If you are working with, if you are working in a such a way that whatever the work has given to you, you are completing the work. But if some people will be there, they can't able to complete that work. What you have to do, you have to motivate the people, right? The people should not be in an individuals, right? The people should have a collaboration, right? For that, what you have to do, you have to create an environment as a Scrum Master, right? And you have to support the people. Understood? And you have to create an environment with the remaining teammates. For that, you have to make some collaboration meetings, right? And funny retros, so that the people can collaborate each other, so that they can get to know and they can easily work with the team, right?
Correct.
So that is this point. Okay, coming to the sixth point. The most efficient and effective method of conveying the information to and within a development team is face-to-face interaction, right? So now I'm teaching you, right? So how do I know that you are getting whatever I'm teaching you? You are saying that yes, right? But you are not asking any doubts, right? How do I know that you are? You guys are understanding. Just consider you. You are only the student. Just consider previous batch. I have 10 people. Okay. How do I know that each and every person is attending my class? And how do I know that each and every person understanding my class? Some people might. Previously I usually teach .NET. So what the people will do is that will be in a huge number.
Correct.
Right? From 40 people, 50 people like that. Okay, some people, what they usually do is they usually turn on the laptop and they usually sleep. Okay?
Yeah.
So if I make them to turn on the camera, I can easily track the people, right?
Right.
So if anyone is not listening the class, right, I can easily catch him and please let me know what I have explained to you. Right or wrong?
Correct. Absolutely.
So that's the reason in school days we usually go to school. Okay. If it is like a work from home, like in Corona time, okay. My uncle's son, how he is listening the classes, he is lying on the bed, and mobile is mobile is in another room. Okay, mobile is in another room. He is lying on the bed and he is watching the TV. Okay, kept it on mute. Okay, that's how the education is like. Okay, at that time. Okay, but if you are conveying something, but that is very important to get to know by the developers. What you have to do, you have to make a conversation. Manoj, I'm doing work from home. Yes, I'm also doing the work from home here. But what I do, I usually calls my team members, please turn on your camera before meeting starts. Okay, before meeting starts, please turn on your camera so that the clients can easily know that you guys are listening. Okay, so that is the main reason. What the people will do is, the people will the development people the Scrum Master make the development team to open the laptops, open the cameras. Okay, so that I will get to know that, hey, are you listening or not, right? Or else you understood or not. Hey, do you have any doubts or not? Okay, so all the things I usually track. Understood?
Yes.
So that's the reason what I do. I usually make the people to do all these things. Okay. So Manoj, tomorrow I have to do all these things. Yes. Tomorrow you have to do all these things. Okay. If not, Manoj, if I'm in an office, no problem. Everyone will be with you. Right? So no need to do all these things if you are in the office. Okay. If you are doing work from home, right? Then you have, then definitely you have to make the team members to turn on the camera, right? Manoj, if they are not accepting the turn on the camera, what I have to do? Right, you have to explain the development team to the testing team how important it is. Okay, how important is this bit? So how to know all these things? Okay, if you guys are not understanding, okay, then it could be a negative point for the development team when they are developing the product. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Right. Coming to the 7th point. So 7th point, I don't need to explain anything. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Working software is the primary measure of the progress.
Yeah.
Our ultimate goal is working software. That is our primary measure. Right or wrong? No need to explain anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Coming to the 8th point. Agile process promotes sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Sustainable development in the sense, just consider it's a clarity. Okay. So whatever we are developing in a just we are delivering 10 story points. Okay. Hello, Nash?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. We are promoting. We are developing 10 story points, and we are developing 10 story points. 10 tickets. Right. So what the developers should do? They have to maintain a constant pace every sprint. Okay. Every sprint they have to develop in that pace. Okay. You should not compromise with anything. They have given you 10 tickets. Based on your capacity, you are going to pick up the tickets and you are going to deliver the tickets. Right or wrong?
Right.
Here also, what you have to do, you should maintain a velocity. Okay. You just pick 10 tickets and you got a velocity of 60. 60. Manoj, what is this 60? I will explain you afterwards. Okay. I will explain you afterwards. and you got a number of 60. That is your velocity for the current sprint. Okay, and you should not miss that. Okay, you should not miss that. What you have to do, you have to deliver that 60 story points. Okay, you have to deliver that 60 story points indefinitely. Okay, every sprint. Manoj, I delivered 60 story points. Manoj, in the next I deliver 40. No, it should not be like that. Okay, it should be like 40. Sorry, it should be like 60, 55 to 60.
Right.
So that's how it should be. Understood? Manoj,
Yes.
then if it, that is going to be different, right? Yes, that is going to be different. Some organizations will work, some organizations won't work, right? So what we have to do, Manoj, at that time, at that scenario, what I have to do? In that scenario, how the development team is, delivering, based on that, you have to guide the people. Okay? You have to explain how we have to deliver all these things. Understood? Based on that, you have to deliver all these things. Okay, so that's how it will be. Understood?
Yeah.
Or any doubts?
That's it.
Right. Coming to the 9th point. Continuous attention and technical excellence and good designs enhances agility. Okay. What is this continuous attention and technical excellence and good designs? Okay. Just see here. Now
I think it also points out like you have to have a fair knowledge of the technology going around the market.
Which one?
This point, continuous attention to technical excellence and the good design enhances agility.
Yes, the thing is like how you can do the designs. Whenever the architect is going to give some designs, right?
Yeah, right.
So based upon designs, you have to deliver. But you don't know the advanced technologies.
Right.
Core languages will be there. Right? Just consider I'm a .NET developer. Okay. I know ASP.NET. Okay. Or else just go with like a front-end technologies. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Right? Previously, I used to these technologies. Right? Right now we have core languages, advanced languages. You have to use that for better improvements, right? So previously what we usually have a drop down. Okay, so how the drop down look like? Let me show you. See, this is the drop down, right? Now, but there are a lot of drop downs here. There are many drop downs are there right now in current market. Different types of drop downs are there. Right. So you have to use those drop downs to make your project looks good. This is also one of the drop down.
Correct.
Right. So these are also drop downs. Right. So this is the old version of drop downs. We usually get it. But Manoj, previously I don't have this image. Right. I usually get login and I usually get drop down list. But here this drop down is the advanced drop down. This is not the basic drop down. Right. Previous drop downs are like that. This is more. Right. In this more, I usually kept the data info. Right. And if I click this, I usually navigate. It usually navigate to next page. That's how it will be. But it's not like that. The drop downs are many types of drop downs are there. You have to use those. How we can use, Manoj? You have to learn advanced technologies. Right. Then only you can sustain. Here also the same thing. Right. If you want to have a good designs here, right? How you have to? You should be in agility. Agility is nothing but you have to upgrade yourself. You should not stick in one place, right? All the times, if you are a HTML developer, you should not stick for your whole career as a HTML developer. Okay, what? Coffee? Amma. Right. So I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's regularly my coffee time. I usually wake up at around 10 a.m. I have my brush and I usually have it.
Oh.
Yeah, right. If you don't give the good designs, okay, the people won't get attracted. The ultimate goal is attraction, right? Just consider UAM. So this is the government website, right? See here. If I develop right now like this, is anyone will get attracted to this? Not this. Let me go for this. See, oh, Baba. Oh, EPF. This one, right? See, if I develop like this, this is the older type of drop downs.
Correct, absolutely.
Right. So if I develop like this, does anyone will come and watch this website?
Yeah, they will come, right?
They will come, but compare with this Flipkart.
Okay, no.
So this is Flipkart, and this is also one of the e-commerce website.
Yeah, no.
No one will come, right? Because it's like an old website. See.
Yeah, it's not fancy.
It's not fancy, right?
Yeah.
Right now, if I give some images to my kid, what you choose? Well, he will definitely choose Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Because everyone is attracted to it. So here also same thing. Whatever you are developing, please make note to create with the good designs.
Yes.
Okay. But if he develops with good designs, but the client has to accept it. If the client accepts, then only we are going to do this. If the client accepted this one, okay, if the client accepted this one, it's not our responsibility, right?
Right.
We will definitely explain to the clients as a developers, as a Scrum Master. See, previously I had a client. Client don't have any knowledge. Okay, absolutely no knowledge. Okay, he had some money. He wants to do some business. He wants to develop some apps, but his thinking is here on. Okay, he came to us and we had a contract, but we have shown lot of projects we have done. Like a demo pieces will be there, right? Demo projects we have shown lot of projects, but he is saying that it's too fancy. Okay, I don't want like that. He developed like this. Okay, he made us to develop like this. We said that if you develop like this, the people can't able to attract your product. But he is like, I am giving each and everything. Okay, each and everything information like this. Okay. After a few months, he came to us and he said that he need to change the website. We said that okay, we will develop. What he's saying is make it fancy. Right? So now no one is using the old type of projects. Everyone wants to have a good designs with good colors. And I will give you another example. So if it is in a black and white, if you have a good product, and if it is in a black and white, would you like to buy it here? There is no attracted. You are not going to attract to this.
Right.
Right? So if you watch it, you have to attract it. You should get to attract to this website. Then only you can buy it, right?
Right.
So that is it. Okay. So that is the point says here. And 10th point says that make it simple. Okay. Make it simple. Don't make it complicated. Okay. Manoj, what is complicated? I want to know example. Okay. I want to buy this t-shirt. Okay. I just clicked on it. Now what it is saying? Just provide me the login. Okay. So if I want to buy, I have to log in, right?
Right.
So what I do, initially I just logged in. Initially I just logged in, but I came into the website. After login, I came into the website. Okay. Now what I can do, I can buy the products, right? So I'm clicking on it. What I'm doing here, I just clicked it and I want to buy the earphones, headphones. Now what it is saying, yes, you are here, just log in again. Oh, why it is asking like, okay, I just logged in. Okay. And now I want to buy this boat headset. Right? I like this boat headset. I want to buy it. Okay. I do have a lot of options. Okay. Now I just selected this one. Okay. Now what it is saying, hey, please log in again. Okay. I just logged in again. Okay. There might be some authentication issues also will be there, right? Okay. There might be a robot. So that's the reason he's asked. Okay. I just logged in. Now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to buy it. See, it is again asking my mobile number.
Right.
So this is not the simplicity, guys.
Yes.
Okay. This is like a hardest way the people definitely will shift to another website. They will skip here and they will come here and they will buy. Okay, they never go back to that website. So that's the reason what they are doing is the art of work. Okay, the art of work, whatever you are doing, make it in a simple. Okay, right. And if you are making it in a simple way, how it should be? It should have the best architectures, requirements, and designs. Okay, if you provide these things, best architectures, requirements, and good designs. Okay, if you provide all these things to the self-organizing teams. Who are self-organizing teams? Those are nothing but called as development teams. Development team are also called as self-organizing team. If you give the best architectures, best requirements, best designs, they will develop for you. Okay? Right. And coming to the 12th point, very, very important point, and my favorite point. At regular intervals of time, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Okay?
Right.
What's so special, Manoj? You said that your favorite principle. What's so special here? See here. Okay? So what it is saying, at regular intervals of time. Regular intervals in the sense, Manoj, 1 month or 2 months or no. There should be a proper time. Okay? At regular intervals of time, the team should reflect on how to become more effective. Then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Just consider myself. Okay? I joined in the organization as a fresher .NET full stack developer. Okay? In my 3rd year, I learned .NET full stack. Thank you. I learned .NET full stack. Okay? Sorry. I learned Java full stack. Okay? But I got the job as a .NET full stack developer. Okay? Initially, I don't know anything about .NET. Okay? The concept might be the same. Okay? Some changes will be there. The coding part will be there. Right? Backend coding is completely different. But the company said to me, our requirement is we don't need Java developer. We need .NET developer. And they have given me 6 months of time. Okay? Initially do front end. Okay? I said that I know some HTML, JavaScript, okay, CSS, and I know the database also. Okay, I know some frameworks. Okay, initially try to do this one and try to learn some backend also. Backend is nothing but .NET framework. Okay, for that I need to learn .NET, right? And with the .NET I can't able to sustain because that is the language.
Right.
I have to use that language. Where I have to use that language? In ASP.NET, MVC code, right? So there I have to use this. So for that I need to learn all these things for 6 months. Okay. Initially my work is very simple. Okay. I gradually did what? I improved myself. Okay. After 1 year, I shined like a like a 5 years developer person. What he can do, I can do all this. I can do the same thing. I usually do the full stack development. Okay. After that, after 2 years, I switch my career. Okay. I try to switch my career into management side. Okay. At the time, we do have a lot of opportunities. We are working in agile methodology, but we don't have proper. I mean, we are not doing the things properly in agile. Okay, we are working in agile, but we are doing waterfall. Okay, what I have done? Okay, this is my perfect opportunity. We are getting a lot of clients in agile, so I can go for management. Okay, I never stick with on what you can say in HTML, right? What I did, I learned backend also. Okay, it's new to me, but I learned. After that, what I have done, I need to grow more. What I have done at the time, I just adjusted myself. Right, I adjusted myself. and I learned agile methodology. In that 2018, I spent around 1 lakh for learning the agile methodology. Scrum Master course. Okay, I spent more than 1 lakh. Okay, my mom don't know about it. I usually take some money with the credit card. Okay.
Yeah.
I usually pay to the institutes. Okay, they usually teach me like a 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, less than 20 days. Okay, but there no one is teaching the full concepts. Okay, I try to implement here. I didn't get the job, but I said to my Scrum Master that I want to learn all these things. So can I implement all these things? He usually teach me. Okay, but he can't teach in the whole day, right? It might be like a 5 minutes or 10 minutes. He will teach something, right? What he will say, I have some other work. Okay, I need to do something.
Yeah, correct.
That's absolutely correct. If I go to some developer, hey, I need this help. What he will do? He won't help you. He will say that some particular time. Hey, I have some other emergency work. Come to me at around 4:30 p.m. or 5 p.m. Right? If you go at that time, what he will do? Oh, no, I'm leaving right. Come tomorrow. Right? So those things it will happen. So for that, what you have to do, guys? You have to adjust yourself. Okay?
Yes.
How you have adjusted. So the thing is, we do have a lot of opportunities. Okay? I usually collaborate in the organization like hell with all the people. Okay? If a new person comes into my organization, I do have a lot of collaboration. Making him smile, going with him outside, right? Let's have a coffee, let's have a lunch. Right? If he is a manager also, I usually offer him something. Hey guys, come, just offering some food. Okay? I will take you to the lunch. Right? I will take all this. I do these type of things to make a lot of collaboration with you. Right? So if there is any new opportunities, so what the people will do? Hey, he is asking for the opportunity. If I had a chance, I will definitely give it. Right? Because I have a collaboration. Right?
Yes.
I made a friendly nature with them. Right? So at the time, around 3 years, I had 3 years of experience as a .NET developer. We do get an opportunity as a Scrum Master. Between, I done my certifications also, CSM and PSM. Both the certifications, and I submitted to my HR, and I said to my manager also, hey, I want to switch my career to the Scrum Masters, and I did the certifications also, and I have learned with some of the institutes, and I said all these things. Okay, whenever we get the opportunity, I will definitely give you that. But I failed in 2 interviews. Internal change only. Okay, internal change only. I failed in 2 interviews, but I succeeded in the third interview. Okay. But there I faced a lot of challenges.
Okay.
So what are the challenges? I will explain to you in here. Okay. Right.
Yeah, yes.
But initially you will get it. But you have to habituate to them.
Okay.
Okay. At the time, I thought that development is too easy. Because I usually get some work. At the end of the day, I usually complete that work and I usually go. But Scrum Master, coming to the Scrum Master, it was like a bit challenging for me. Okay, every day many tasks are there. If the people is not, if the developers not completed the work, okay, that is a big headache for the Scrum Master. What I have to do, right? It's not my mistake. Still, it's the developer mistake, but they are playing, right? So that's the very challenging parts are there, Scrum Master. But I have overcome all those things, learning from the issues. Right? So right now I'm teaching the right. Okay. Any doubts in this?
No.
Okay. Right. Then we connect tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, sure. So tomorrow is like, what is our plan? We'll connect by 10:30 or 9:30.
Let me check with Keith because tomorrow is a festival, right?
Tomorrow's festival.